Bionic revolutionizes the mass production of thermoplastic composites with the world's fastest fiber placement technology.
Our airstream process places fibers exactly where loads occur, enabling cycle times of 60 seconds per part. With Bionic design and zero fiber waste, we cut costs and bring high-performance materials to products like sporting equipment, robots and drones, making them stronger and lighter. We offer the full ecosystem, from simulation over functional prototyping to serious production.
Bionic sets the new standard for thermoplastic composite mass production.